The Hermes 900 is an Israeli medium-size, multi-payload, medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle designed for tactical missions. It is a successor to the Hermes 450 series of drones, one of the most widely used military drones in the world. It has an endurance of over 30 hours and can fly at a maximum altitude of 30,000 feet, with a primary mission of reconnaissance, surveillance and communications relay. The Hermes 900 has a wingspan of 49 feet and weighs 970 kg, with a payload capability of 300 kg. Payload options include electro-optical infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar ground-moving target indication, communications and electronic intelligence, electronic warfare, and hyperspectral sensors. The Hermes 900 was first used by Israel during Operation Protective Edge in July 2014. It had been undergoing test flights and wasn't planned for operational deployment until late 2015, but it was introduced during the operation for unique missions that it could perform better than the Hermes 450. A few days after receiving orders to deploy the aircraft, one Kachav was readied for temporary activity. The Hermes 900's first operational mission took place on July 15, 2014, which was a link in a chain of operations that eventually led to a fighter jet attack that destroyed terrorist infrastructure. Maintenance on the aircraft during the operation was done by Elbit personnel because Israel Air Force ground teams had not yet been qualified to perform maintenance on it, and mission stations had Elbit representatives that guided the operators during combat flights. Following the end of the operation, the Hermes 900 returned to integration and flight testing to pass milestones that still needed to be met. The Hermes 900 was officially introduced into the Israel Air Force's operational lineup on the 11th of November 2015. Altitude Long Endurance Unmanned Aircraft System. Qualified for flight in civilian unsegregated airspace, and in adverse weather conditions thanks to its unique and unlimited de-icing mechanism. The Starliner features over-the-horizon, persistent multi-mission, multi-sensor capabilities with a class-leading payload carrying capacity. Hermes Starliner draws on the strong legacy of the Hermes unmanned aircraft system family and incorporates the most advanced aviation technologies. It is ideal for a wide range of applications, including homeland security, law enforcement, border protection, maritime patrol, and a range of civilian applications, such as agriculture, industrial inspections or post-disaster surveys. Anticipating the rising security need for operating unmanned aircraft in the same environment with civilian manned aircraft enabled us to achieve this breakthrough. Elbit Systems commences global marketing of the Hermes 900 Starliner, a powerful and trend-setting unmanned aircraft system that features adverse weather capabilities and is fully compliant with NATO's STANAG 4671, qualifying it to be safely integrated into civilian airspace and fly in the same environment with manned aircraft. Meeting the strict safety and certification requirements of non-segregated airspace regulations required all the components of Hermes 900 Starliner to be designed in full compliance with STANAG 4671 and to incorporate the most advanced aviation technologies. The Royal Thai Navy's order of Hermes 900 maritime unmanned aerial vehicle is expected to strengthen the Navy's blue water and littoral operations. The Royal Thai Navy has placed an order for Hermes 900 maritime unmanned aerial vehicles from Israel. In a statement on the 28th of September, Elbit Systems cited the value of the contract at $120 million. The company added that the medium-altitude long-range unmanned aerial vehicle will be equipped with a maritime radar, an electro-optic payload, satellite communication equipment, droppable inflated life rafts, and other capabilities. The unmanned aerial vehicle is intended to enable the Royal Thai Navy to perform both blue water and littoral missions, dominate vast swaths of sea and long coastlines, Elbit said. The Hermes will also be used to communicate with operational vessels and carry out civilian missions such as maritime search and rescue and identification of suspicious activities and potential hazards. In a Facebook post on the 21st of September, the Royal Thai Navy said that Elbit has a 4-year period to perform the contract, from fiscal year 2022 to 2025. The Navy added that the unmanned aerial vehicle will be used to patrol shipping routes and the country's coastline. The Thai Navy has not said how many unmanned aerial vehicles will be supplied under the contract. The Hermes 900 ranges in price between $5.83 million US dollars and $6.85 million US dollars per unit. However, the contract also very likely covers significant ground infrastructure costs. The Navy had not responded to a request for comment at the time of publication.